E30, welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cast and Class. And this is Guja Wax. Mun. Uno tsoga ka uja mun na se chubereke mun. Wa kuja mun let us try something. Matsoga a school.
Tsoga ka
Matsoga a school. Wa mun kuja berekanyana brat. Berekanyana ke weekend e masifu ka no go bala. Anytime is the time. Anytime is the time. Mna ka mothabi kuja. Guys, I forgot to tell you this is Guja Wax, whereby a lot of things happen, and subscribe to this channel, Guja Wax. This channel is going to be for Guja Wax. Everything that happens in here is going to be shown on this channel. Let's do this Guja Wax. Hola. Fere bafethu. Ay ha. Only prepare LV. Nanga go baje. Ay ha. O LV a tlhapa bafethu. I prepare for massive weekend. Ay. Is in Jamajot.
Yeah.
Bafethu. Mukuchela. Itala. Ya tsena mokutjere ka mo. Onya go mpha yona. Ke ding le ntšintši. Multi.
Una bona con rota mi di govide, bona piscina la go fatti, bona e go di.
Ya ke re mkhumotsa na ngona. Ke mo go tsena ngwena then wa di bereka.
O tsentsa video. No spina body. Kanoro belt.
This is Guja's body. Fana. O dona se go batla. O ka dira. O ka se gere. Ke a delete part away.
Ke fela ke reila ke a show.
O relay.
Go go bone so.
Stabe sina matla. O ta mo rila stock 25. O ka no thoma rila. Lula life. O decide ka eng gore wa spina mon. Wa ke spin. Bo. Ke spin. Andre. Abe ba nna re ke le botjeng le na le standard ongwishishe for someone who loreng a ne di college di sharp e ka ba sharp for ye mara wena na le standard o lo tshwana no BYK a tsia DRS la runyo go ireile because we bona ka re e sharp for standard sa motho mongwe ya ke se drive bona wa tsena mara for standard sa Guja Wax la rila nti la rila di dead. Bona. Wa.
Mara ka bolae tejo. Mara ke bolae.
Yona e nice. Mara level gore if ela e fita ka mo go wena o nyakang BM o tlo spend. Yona e ka dire. Mara expense. Gore be monate.
Ka mo ka re washa video ka mo.
Vele ga wena ona no ro ka lokela eng mo. Mara Guja. Bo. Ha o ne go le ngwe clean e lo re mo ka ntshalo je. Wala tel.
Isipitso ka di cover. Ke tse dintsi data, kapete. Kana tse dintsi data.
Bo bona mo mfana. Mo. Amwa imi.
Nyela kapete. Le roof gam. Amaradal is spinning, man. Steering so was one.
See them?
That's spinning.
Oh,
See that day? Oh,
I get it again and it's steering.
what's that? That's what I'm saying, man.
You will. Ah, Ivan. Hey, oh. Inyaga oxozo jamun. Ema e nice.
Hey, it must be 36. Which one taga? That's 16. Ah, why lad? Inyaga wo.
Bam.
Inyaga pinga na. Yeah, inyaga pinga. Rebo ada silencer, rebo ada rebo cuma.
Ya dai no.
Regular jere sih panak. Eh? Regular jere sih. Worx agak agak terus aja.
Ya, was speaking.
Enti, regular jere. So we won. Salah pada jere sih ini semua.
Ikhumani ka koloi. Uyikhumani ka koloi. Uyikhumani ka koloi.
Ya, kami.
Or I'll show you the spin car or drive car. Then go for idea. Spinner did. Spinner did. Le rivora di rona. Di fora di rona shit. So guys, E30 versus VR6. Guja.
Hello.
I can't. Guja Wax. When they're done, waiting on your car. They give it some TLC and the love and care. And they care about your, and they care about your car. They care about your life. They care about your. This is roof. You know the roof. E30 today, LV. Yeah? Whoa, take a photo of his. I'm Guja Wax. Gearbox. Need you in Goli. Gearbox. Will drag gearbox. Ringer. Neither any fiddle man or replace. I got for a get over liar, a statue. Anguish. Got for a get over a link of elephant, number go for a negative gassy when 1 man plus mulling a little crane, Joey show D -1. Nagi Diagari trainer. Ah, the double way I'm going to semi slicky. Yeah. Oh, nakata huba tamu. Evi. Hey guys. I've Guja Wax. Var dito boy ba fit. Are preparing, ready for Guja Wax, mo Guja. Oh, ka se tla ka mo go leng. Ara berisa. My favorite part. That's how they flashed the speakers inside the panel. That one. So the big question is, Kutja doesn't know what he should do with this car. He's confused whether he should drive it or he should spin it. He's not sure. Let me show you how the car is. Oh, the car has no engine. The car is engineless. And inside, the car looks sunroof. I think this is what's giving him second thoughts. He wants to spin it, but then he realizes it has a sunroof, so he's stuck between a rock and a hard place, guys. Comment in the comment section and give him advice on what to do with this type of body. So when you go inside, the panels, guys, BMW panels are very strong. I don't care how much of someone who can break stuff you are, but panels, you can't do anything to them. The front ones will have a little bit of scratches because people, when they enter, they step on the doors. I don't know why you kick your door when you're getting out of your own car. Maybe it's passengers and friends. You cannot kick your own panels when you get out of your car. I don't know. I've never done it on mine, so I don't know. So if you check out the rear panels, they're the freshest because people don't get lifts. Even if they get lifts, they get in the front passenger, not here. So Kutja doesn't know what to do with this one, guys. Comment in the comment section and give him advice on what to do. Spin it or drive it. How much do you think this could cost for him to drive it? For spinning, he can do it today. But for driving...
not too much.
Not
too much. Oh, never vote. This seat, you know. It's only covers a camera. Sit here, go patala 7,000. Come here, fedite. Oh, this boat. This boat, what are enough? Obvious joke at the pate, at the look set. I get a mechanic. Easy. Right, rapenta, 15. Karaka bumper ko maraw 9,000. Mabona ko maraw kana boy mo 4.5 ye. 4.5 karaka plate la mo 350 ka spoiler sela mara. Arreke sela sa utura sela. Arreke sela sa uchi, ese sela sa 30,000. Sela ka boy mo 1.5. Ra ko pi. Ai suspension akara ara shoka suspension akara sele fresh. Mongwa sona sentsa tlhokofala issue e. Ba fetso se. Ratam. O bona feeling se bile. Ke tshwereng mo ka mo shopong ka mo. Ma bone ke 5,000 mo pele. Grill ke bokae? 1.5. Bambara mo pele 4.5. Stephenary cargo is tshwere ke nna fela. Ke nna ke tshwere ke nna ba supply ka di Stephenary. Le dinyaka le ntshwareng. Ra tla ka mo pele. Ana ka la nthangwe. Ana ka la nthangwe. Oh. Ra luksa mo. Ke ro itse tshwantse no bolanyana. Re ya sno kara mapenta no nne. A bua le yona mo. Wa tla mfa 3 clip.
Is jwang?
Webo.
Ile jwang?
Ile monate.
Oh.
Ke rekile windscreen empšha. Ha bo itse biemo ke rimi ke le beshu ke front empšha.
Sunroof.
O mfa ya ka ke smooth. Wa mfa ena bona tshwara driver sa utulo.
Se duri ke ma 2,000. Triangle.
E tla mo se ke 5,000 mo.
5,000.
Se ke 5,000.
Oh. Triangle is 5,000.
E bona se ke 5,000. Se ke 5,000. Ona invoice. I get the parts. I want suspension ko bokae? I want suspension ko bokae?
15,000.
Suspension sa BM. And I also decide chaff. Think I want to see join. As one check as one again, as if you just sa BM. 10,000.
CV.
Kere, was one again na baba ntshi sulusi. Baba ntshi.
Side shaft.
Side shaft. Bas bona again. Amo Worx re rega tsemphi. A tlo kora customer re ke ntho isikhala wa mphone la ye ke spinner ka hoile eng. Style jacket. 4.7.
10,000. Wow. Whoa. Hey guys, so Kutja Orena, I got drive.
Ba bona. Ke rona le shop e rekisang cheap. Se se strong. Ba mpotse ke tlo go bala ka 10,000.
Go bala, yeah.
Job ke a go bala. To see Jones sa tulo. Ba mpotse. Ba ntshwara gore Jones le go gongwe ga 1.5 mara se
monate. Wena o nyaka go ba monate fe. Hai. Guys, le mo go ile lo yena a iboni, a ga dira driving at any time. So yeah. Let Guja Wax work, guys. We're gonna call it a day. Let's wrap it up so quick so that we can see other things. So guys, Kutja said he's not having a problem with turning this car into a drivable car, so he can do it. The problem is just for him to just decide. Now, he said the finances and the mechanical side are not giving him a problem. So guys, you comment in the comment section, give him advice. Now just tell him what to do. Should he drive it or should he spin it? Let's comment in the comment section. Yeah. Let's do this. Yeah,
re tla ka
di vote.
Decide.
Just 3 days, it's fine.
3 days.
Yeah, 3 days.
Driver spin.
Driver spin, guys.
And I get honor.
All right. Amen. Guys, that is all we have for this episode of Constant Centralist. And I mean, that's good, beautiful, great, fun, to be entertainer. Signing out. Bye bye.